Every beginner witch makes mistakes. Some are okay, but some can hold your magic back for years. Come with me and let's make sure that you don't fall into any of these traps. I'm Lady StarFire, a 3rd degree High Priestess and teacher. And today I'm going to guide you through the mistakes that I see new witches make over and over and how to avoid them. Number 1, tools are awesome to have, okay? But they're not something that you have to have. Your intention is actually 99.9% of any spell work, okay? Yeah, do you need tools for casting circle and things like that a lot of times? Yes, but it's not like you have to run out and buy them right now. You're learning. And we'll get into that in my year and a day classes, okay? So, but for now, just remember, your intention is the main thing for you. Number 2, skipping protection. This is actually one of the biggest ones that people do. They forget to protect before doing anything. You have to. Before doing any type of spell or rituals, okay? Whether it's money, love, whatever it is that you're doing, you have to cleanse your space, protect it, take care of your grounding and your shielding. This is your foundation of any magical workings, okay? Number 3, casting anything without clear intention. Having an unclear intention, guess what? You never know what you're going to get. You need to know exactly what it is that you want. Okay, be specific. You need to say it clearly and feel it fully. And don't forget, and it harm none, especially on those money spells, okay? I talk about that in a lot of my videos. I'm not going to go into it here. So just mainly be specific. And don't be greedy if you're doing money, okay? That will bite you every time, okay? What you need and a little bit more, all right? So anyway, we'll get into that later. Here, let's continue. Number 4, using a spell out of a book, off the internet, wherever it is, without truly understanding it. You should always know why you're using all the ingredients that are in there. Are they even the right ingredients, okay? Look them up. Make sure it's right. Don't just copy somebody else's stuff, because if you don't do the research and know why you're using all of them and are they the right thing for what you're trying to do, you're just copying somebody else and you never know what you're going to get. Moon magic is wonderful, but don't waste a month, for the next full moon or new moon, whichever you're trying to do to come around. Daily work is what builds your magic and your strength. It's just little things. Save the big things for the moons, but you need daily rituals of little things you do, okay? Your Book of Shadows becomes your personal grimoire. Be sure to record what works and what doesn't work. That way you don't make those same mistakes again. Patterns appear when you write things down. It allows you to be able to go back and see what you did, especially if something didn't go right. You had every step by step of everything you did, and you can maybe figure out what went wrong, or maybe you just need to go, don't do this. Next is believing everything you see and hear and read on the internet. No. Social media today can confuse even experienced witches and practitioners. Experience and tradition matter, but discernment is magical protection. Next we have in letting fear hold you back. Respect the craft, but don't fear it, as long as you're doing it the right way. Fear can actually block your energy. Oh, is this going to work? I don't know. Well, guess what? You just blew the whole thing, so don't even bother. But confidence can help open your path. If you want to avoid all these mistakes and help build your path step by step, come join me in Sacred Legacy Builders Community on School, SKOOL. It's an app that you can download. And go in my classroom and look for a year and a day classes. That's what they're there for, is to help teach you, okay? Now, yes, this is at least a year and a day commitment, but by the time you finish that year, you will have so much knowledge and be confident at casting circle properly and so much more. And you've got me there to guide you every step of the way. And I'm the one you'll send your homework to. And yeah, It's awesome. I've got students around the world right now. It is amazing. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can take these classes because they are online, okay? So I hope to see you in my community, and I hope to see you taking the classes. So come join us, and don't forget there's videos popping up here, and there's so many more in this series. This is beginner is a long series. I think I've got about 20 videos planned. So stick around, and until the next time, I hope to see you soon, and blessed be.